Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best LED streaming light is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any aspiring streamer or content creator. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your setup, good lighting can make a massive difference in the quality of your videos. In this video, we'll be taking a look at some of the top LED streaming lights on the market, comparing their features, and helping you decide which one is right for you. Number 5. UBeesize LED Video Light Kit. This LED panel light comes with a 1/4 universal ball head. It allows you to adjust the panel up to 180 degrees, easily meeting your different shooting angle needs. The brightness level can be adjusted from 10% to 100%. The kit includes 2 LED lights and 4 color filters: red, orange, white, and blue. These filters help you achieve various photography effects. It's perfect for YouTube videos, product photography, and online courses. The retractable tripod has a working height from 23.62 to 57.68 inches. This makes it ideal for video conferencing, recording, and game streaming. You can position the lights exactly where you need them. The light is USB powered, offering flexibility. You can plug it into a desktop computer or a wall plug. This provides continuous lighting for your subject in various situations. This studio lighting kit is a great help when recording videos. It provides perfect lighting for studios, videos, and images. It's a basic photography lighting kit for video shooting. What we like. This kit offers flexible shooting angles with its adjustable ball head, perfect for getting the right shot. It also includes color filters, allowing you to create diverse visual effects. And since it's USB powered, you can use it anywhere. If you're looking for a versatile lighting solution for your YouTube videos, product photography, or online courses, this is a great choice. What people say. The light is very bright and has multiple settings. The stand is very sturdy and easy to adjust. The light is easy to set up and use. Number 4. SmallRig P96 LED Video Light. Introducing the SmallRig P96 LED Video Light. This portable light features 96 high-efficiency LED beads, providing a wide illumination angle. It's perfect for various photography and video needs. With a CRI 95 rating, it delivers natural and lifelike light. You can adjust the color temperature from 2700K to 6500K and control the brightness from 0 to 100% to suit any scene. This light has a built-in 2200 mAh rechargeable battery. It can provide up to 105 minutes of continuous use at maximum power. It charges easily via USB Type-C. It features 3 cold shoe mounts for connecting multiple panels. Also, it has a 1/4 screw for compatibility with cameras, tripods, and light stands, making it versatile. This light is compatible with many cameras, ideal for travel, vlogging, and live streaming. It's a great tool for creating high-quality content on the go. Simply press the on-off button to control the light. You can adjust the color temperature and brightness with the disk button. It's user-friendly and ready to use. What we like. This light is incredibly portable and offers a wide range of color temperatures, from warm to cool, for any lighting scenario. With multiple cold shoe mounts, you can easily expand your setup. If you're a vlogger or content creator who needs a compact, adaptable light for travel, live recording, or even just selfies, this is the one for you. What people say. Adjustable color temp is great, and being able to adjust the light level is a plus. The lights get quite bright, and they hold a charge for a long time, which is helpful. You can control the brightness to be pretty bright and can also change the color tone to be really warm or really cool, really easily. Number 3. LED Ring Light 6 with Tripod Stand. This ring light kit makes everything look better. It makes you look nicer when you video with friends and family. Your photos and videos will be more beautiful and charming with it. If you need more light, this ring light is perfect. You can adjust the brightness up to 11 levels. It also has 3 color temperatures to make the light softer. This ring light adds enough light to your face or products. It makes your face lines more defined and product details clearer. More people will want to watch your videos. When you take a selfie with this light, your eyes will look amazing. It comes with a phone holder that fits all phone sizes, perfect for taking photos and videos. This ring light is easy to set up and use. It is perfect for YouTube videos, makeup, and more. It will bring you a good lighting effect. What we like. This ring light enhances your visual world, making your images and videos more beautiful. It offers adjustable brightness and color temperatures, allowing you to customize the lighting to your needs. If you like to create makeup tutorials or product reviews, this ring light will make your videos more engaging and your products more appealing. What people say. The light is very bright and has multiple settings. The stand is very sturdy and easy to adjust. The light is great for streaming and video recording. Number 2. Weilisi 10.5 Ring Light with Tripod Kit. This ring light features an upgraded round panel, offering a larger light-emitting surface. The head rotates 360 degrees and adjusts up and down, providing ultra-bright fill light from any angle. The full-screen lighting technology delivers softer, more uniform light. It makes your skin look natural and enhances facial features, all while protecting your eyes. It offers 10 brightness levels and 3 color temperatures. You can easily adjust it to get the perfect lighting, no matter where you are. The adjustable tripod extends from 39 to 69 inches, made of high-quality aluminum. It meets various height needs and features a standard 1/4 screw mount. The included remote lets you take selfies or group photos from up to 30 feet away. It's compatible with most phones, making it super convenient. The phone holder rotates 360 degrees and fits phones from 2.49 to 3.74 inches wide. You can easily capture photos and videos from any angle. Perfect for Zoom meetings, video recording, live streaming, and more. It's also great as a makeup light, studio light, or selfie light. What we like. This ring light features a full-screen design for softer, more uniform lighting, enhancing your appearance. It comes with an adjustable tripod and a wireless remote for easy control. If you're into live streaming, video recording, or makeup tutorials, this setup provides convenience and professional-looking results. What people say. Light quality is good with options for warm or cool and various brightness. Easy to set up and options for height. The brightness options are amazing. The lighting is perfect for photos, videos, and lives. Number 1. Elgato Key Light, Professional Studio Light. This is the Elgato Key Light. It's a professional studio light designed for streaming, recording, and video conferencing. It offers a powerful and adjustable lighting solution for your workspace. With Wi-Fi, you can easily control this light. You can switch it on or off and adjust the settings using the desktop app on your computer or mobile device. It delivers 2,800 lumens of brightness. You can illuminate your entire workspace or dim it down to a subtle glow, depending on your needs. The color temperature ranges from 2900 to 700 K. This allows you to change the color from a warm sunset amber to a cool Arctic blue. It features 160 Osram LEDs. This design provides impressive brightness with low heat emission compared to traditional soft boxes. The opal glass face ensures evenly balanced and glare-free diffusion. This helps to create a soft and flattering light for your videos. What we like. This light is Wi-Fi enabled, allowing for easy control via an app. It offers impressive brightness and a wide range of color temperatures. If you're a professional streamer or content creator looking for a high-quality, app-controlled studio light, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. The light is very bright and has multiple settings. The stand is very sturdy and easy to adjust. The light is easy to set up and use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.